Hey everyone, it's Jennifer and I really appreciate you tuning into my channel. I hope you're enjoying the content and finding it valuable. If so, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the science behind anxiety and the stress response. I'm also going to be sharing with you some simple things that you can do to help reduce your anxiety levels right now. So let's get started with the science. We all have a nerve in our body called the vagus nerve. It's the 10th cranial nerve and is the largest nerve in the entire body. It runs from your brain all the way to your gut, and it's in charge of all involuntary bodily functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. It's the only nerve in the body that's able to access your prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain that's in charge of and accesses creativity and helps with complex decision making. So when there's dysfunction in this vagus nerve, the parts of your brain that are accessed are the parts that are in charge of fight or flight and fear. And when there's dysfunction in your vagus nerve over time, what ends up happening is that fear and fight or flight turns into anxiety. And over time, that really wears down on the body. But here's the good news. What you can do, there's something you can actually do to tone your vagus nerve. Kind of like working out in the gym. You can tone your vagus nerve and make it stronger so that even in times of stress, you're able to access that part of the brain that calms you down and activates your parasympathetic nervous system. So here are some ways that you can tone your vagus nerve. One way is through meditation. Now, I must say that meditation isn't necessarily for everyone. So if you have chronic anxiety and you find that sitting in meditation is a trigger for you, try something different. So some other things that could work are breathing exercises, yoga, singing, humming, hugging, getting a massage, and splashing cold water on your face. All of these are ways that you can tone your vagus nerve. And notice how I say the word tone. Just like when you go to the gym and lift weights, you can't expect to lift weights one time and have the buffest biceps in town. It takes time and it takes consistency. So try a couple of the things out, see if one works for you, or try a couple of them out, but stay consistent. The more consistent you are, the more you'll see results from it. And the more toned your vagus nerve is, the easier it will be for you to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, even in those times of stress. So, there it is, the vagus nerve and your body's reaction to stress response. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.